this tutorial, you will learn about digital input and output. First, I want you to take a look at the pinout of the board. Go to github.com/nodemcu. Then click on the development kit. Scroll down, you will see the board. And down right here, the pinout. These are pin numbers on the board. Each of them is mapped to the GPIO. For example, D7 is mapped to GPIO 13. So you can refer this pin by referencing D7 or pin number 13. GPIO stands for General Purpose Input-Output. The behavior of the GPIO pins on the board are programmable. It means in your code, you can assign each GPIO pin to work as an input or output. For input, you can use a GPIO pin, for instance GPIO 13 or D7, to send or read input from a switch or a sensor. For output, you can use this pin, D7 of course, control a physical thing, device, or an actuator in the real world, like motors, servos, lights, solenoid valves, and so forth. Another example, you can use GPIO D7 read sensors and use GPIO D8 control things. Or you can switch by using GPIO D8 read sensors and GPIO D7 control things. This is a feature of GPIO. You can assign each pin as an input or output. It's pretty the same concept as the other boards. If you use another board, Arduino Uno, for instance, you can find pinout by searching Arduino Uno pinout. Then you get hundreds of pages. I would recommend you compare at least 2 to 3 pages to make sure you get the right information. Now you know the pinout and GPIO of your development board. Next, you will learn some basic programming and then wire something up. See you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.